I replaced the mouse again and the keyboard for the first time now, but these were really good buys. This is a Cherry M5400 and a Cherry, I think it's G84 is the model line. Where is it? Yeah, G84. So this is a 1000 DPI optical mouse connected over PS2, which I don't need 1000 DPI, and it's not configurable, so it's actually kind of twitchy, but it's perfect for small spaces where I have been using this computer in that Fellows keyboard tray that I mentioned in the last video on this. So I actually kind of like that. And then this keyboard is Cherry ML. It is actually mechanical. And it's fantastic for its size. It's really, really good. It's actually kind of funny because just recently Cherry announced their new first low-profile switch for laptops, but you could have totally put this in a laptop. It's fantastic for its size. They're really good. Now, they're not MX mount compatible. I don't know how easily I can get these off. This is... yeah, they're not super easy. They can... Pause is kind of useless. There we go. So you can see it is a individual switch there. Drop the key and has keycaps that are interchangeable. So I mean, they could have totally just used these for laptops. Really would have been good. But yeah, I really like these. This is actually the third ML keyboard I now own, and yeah, this is my endgame keyboard for this system. I can't imagine a better one. They do make them with a numpad, but I'm going small here intentionally, so this one's awesome. I really am happy with this combination. I actually bought this new, and I bought 4 of them because they were a great deal. If I turn off the lights here, you can see one cool feature of this mouse. The scroll wheel lights up, which I really like. And that's just because it's clear and the laser is shining through. But yeah, very, very happy with these peripherals. I can't envision getting a better mouse. Everything works on that. And the keyboard, as I said, is absolutely phenomenal. So I think that's it for the peripherals. I don't think I'm going to do any better. So this computer is now hardware-wise complete. And you know that I guess now with those 2 compact flash cards inside, it's also complete internally.